Welcome to Turboride USA, where power meets perfection.
Welcome back to Turboride USA. The full yellow three-wheel cargo motorcycle is a bold and purpose-driven machine designed to combine utility strength with visual impact, and its overall design immediately communicates durability, balance, and professional work capability. The shape of this cargo motorcycle follows a classic industrial trike layout, with a single front wheel for steering and two rear wheels supporting a heavy-duty cargo bed, creating a stable triangular stance that performs confidently on uneven terrain and busy work sites. The front section is compact yet muscular, highlighted by a large round headlight positioned centrally, which gives the vehicle a timeless mechanical character while ensuring strong forward visibility in low light conditions. Surrounding the headlight, the body panels flow smoothly into the front forks, reinforcing the sense of structural continuity and rugged reliability. The handlebars are finished in matte black, providing a strong contrast against the bright yellow body, and they are positioned at an ergonomic height to allow the rider full control during slow-speed maneuvering and heavy load operation. Small side mirrors extend outward just enough to offer rear visibility without adding unnecessary width, maintaining the vehicle's narrow working profile. The tires are rugged off-road units with deep tread patterns designed to grip loose soil, gravel, and construction surfaces, emphasizing the motorcycle's work-focused personality. The bright yellow color dominates the entire vehicle, chosen not only for visual appeal, but also for high visibility in industrial and roadside environments where safety and awareness are critical. Decorative stripes run along the body panels, adding motion and energy to the design while breaking up large surfaces of yellow with subtle graphic detail. The front fender curves tightly over the tire, protecting the rider from debris while maintaining a clean and functional appearance. Moving toward the center, the main body frame is constructed from reinforced metal tubing, forming the backbone of the motorcycle and ensuring it can withstand repeated heavy loads and daily operational stress. The seating position is upright and commanding, allowing the rider to maintain balance and awareness while operating the vehicle under load. The seat itself is designed with firm padding and durable covering, suitable for long work hours and resistant to dust, moisture, and wear. Below the seat, the engine housing is neatly integrated into the frame, with protective covers that shield critical components while still allowing proper airflow for cooling. The engine is engineered for torque rather than speed, delivering steady pulling power necessary for carrying cargo and operating hydraulic systems. Air intake and exhaust routing are designed to minimize heat buildup and ensure consistent performance even under demanding conditions. The exhaust pipe is positioned safely away from the cargo bed and rider contact points, reducing heat exposure while maintaining efficient gas flow. The rear section of the motorcycle is dominated by the yellow metal cargo bed, constructed from reinforced panels that resist bending, denting, and corrosion. The dump bed is designed with straight industrial lines that reflect strength and practicality, and its raised sidewalls prevent material spillage during transport. Two powerful hydraulic pistons are mounted beneath the cargo bed, symmetrically placed to provide smooth and balanced lifting action. When activated, the hydraulic system raises the dump bed upward at a controlled angle, allowing loose materials such as sand, gravel, soil, or debris to slide out efficiently without manual unloading. The hydraulic components are protected by metal housings and seals to ensure long service life and resistance to dust and moisture. The rear axle assembly is reinforced to support heavy payloads, distributing weight evenly across both rear wheels to maintain stability during movement and dumping operations. The suspension system is tuned for load carrying, absorbing shocks while preventing excessive bounce that could destabilize the cargo. Brake components are heavy-duty, designed to bring the fully loaded vehicle to a controlled stop even on uneven or sloped surfaces. Wiring and control cables are routed cleanly along the frame, reducing exposure to damage and simplifying maintenance. Overall, the design language of this three-wheel cargo motorcycle balances industrial toughness with clear visual identity, using its bright yellow color, strong shapes, and functional layout to communicate reliability, productivity, and purpose-built engineering for real-world work environments. From a mechanical and functional perspective, the three-wheel cargo motorcycle is engineered as a dependable work machine where every component serves a clear role in performance, safety, and longevity. The engine at the heart of the vehicle is a low to mid displacement unit optimized for torque delivery, ensuring strong pulling power at low speeds rather than high top-end velocity, which is essential for hauling heavy loads and operating the hydraulic dump mechanism. This engine is mounted low within the frame to keep the center of gravity close to the ground, improving stability when the cargo bed is fully loaded or raised during dumping. Fuel delivery is tuned for efficiency and reliability, allowing the motorcycle to operate for long hours with minimal consumption while maintaining consistent power output. Cooling systems are designed to handle extended operation, using airflow management and heat-resistant materials to prevent overheating during demanding work cycles. The transmission system is geared for load carrying, providing smooth power transfer to the rear wheels while allowing precise control during slow maneuvering in tight spaces. Clutch components are reinforced to handle repeated engagement under load without excessive wear. The drivetrain connects seamlessly to the rear axle assembly, which is built to withstand both vertical load pressure and lateral forces during turning and dumping operations. The hydraulic system is a critical feature of this vehicle, driven either mechanically or through a dedicated pump that draws power efficiently from the engine. Hydraulic fluid lines are routed securely and protected against vibration and impact, ensuring consistent pressure delivery to the pistons. The twin hydraulic pistons operate in unison, lifting the dump bed evenly and preventing twisting or misalignment during elevation. Control levers for the hydraulic lift are positioned within easy reach of the rider, allowing safe and precise operation without dismounting. The dump bed hinge points are reinforced with heavy-duty joints that allow repeated lifting cycles without loosening or deformation. The metal used in the cargo bed panels is treated to resist corrosion, scratches, and impact damage, extending the working life of the vehicle even in harsh environments. The rear suspension system is calibrated to handle varying payload weights, maintaining ride stability whether the bed is empty or fully loaded. Springs and dampers work together to absorb shocks from uneven surfaces, protecting both the rider and the cargo. Braking systems are designed with safety in mind, featuring robust components capable of stopping the vehicle reliably under load. Front braking provides controlled deceleration, while rear brakes ensure balanced stopping power across both wheels. The steering geometry is tuned for predictable handling, allowing the rider to navigate narrow paths, work sites, and urban delivery routes with confidence. Electrical systems are kept simple and durable, powering essential lighting and controls while minimizing complexity that could lead to failure. The large round headlight uses efficient lighting technology to provide clear illumination during night or early morning work, improving safety and visibility. Indicator lights and rear lighting are positioned for maximum visibility to surrounding traffic, an important feature for roadside or urban operation. The black handlebars and controls are designed for durability, with grips that reduce vibration and fatigue during extended use. The mirrors provide sufficient rear awareness while remaining compact to avoid damage in tight spaces. The bright yellow paint not only enhances visibility but also reflects heat, helping to manage surface temperatures during long hours under the sun. Decorative stripes add a professional finish, making the vehicle visually appealing without compromising its industrial identity. Every bolt, bracket, and mounting point is designed with maintenance access in mind, allowing routine servicing to be completed quickly and efficiently. This three-wheel cargo motorcycle ultimately represents a balance of mechanical simplicity, functional strength, and visual clarity, delivering a reliable solution for transport, construction, agriculture, and utility work, where efficiency, durability, and controlled power are essential. Please like and subscribe for more real videos.